Hi, welcome to Artworks Anywhere. Today we're going to create an activity with chalk, paper, your hands, and some elements of nature. Let's discover how to make geometric shapes using your hands. Open your hand, making an L shape, and ask them to trace down your fingers with the chalk. Lift your hands so they can see the L shape they have made, and ask them to close the rectangle, following the same pattern. So with your fingers closer together making an angle, ask them to trace them again so they can make a triangle. So imagine you're holding a ball so they can trace a curved line to make a circle. Using your long forefingers, you can help them trace a rectangle. Great! For the next activity, you can go outside and find some elements of nature that resemble geometric shapes. Lay them flat on your piece of paper and give them some space in between them. Now ask your kids to trace them around to find what shape do they resemble. So now we have a circle. With this little rock we can find a square. For the brown leaf, we could both have an oval or a rectangle. Let them discover the shapes they can find around these elements. Always keep reminding them the names of the geometric shapes they're making or the ones that they are resembling. You can also put away the elements and ask them to put them back in another moment so they can recognize the geometric shapes that they have made around those objects. Some other things you can do is using appropriate age scissors. You can ask them to cut out the shapes so they can keep exploring them. Once they have the cutouts, you can ask them to fill them out, to add some texture or to add some lines, and even try to place the shapes in a different color paper so they can see the contrast, and even come up with a new creation where they can keep tracing the geometric shapes.